Hey queens and kings, welcome back you all, and thank you all so much for watching. It's clicking on this video. Now today's video we're going to be doing a decorate with me, trying to get tapped back into my soul. But here in this area here, you guys know it's near my kitchen, and I'm doing some changes or making some makeovers to the house and everything like that. So that's why it's taking me so long to really put out content, but I do apologize. But here we're going to make this very, I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out how to call it. I'll let you guys call it at the end or whenever you all see the finished look. So here, more of my champagne wine wall, I guess I will call it that. Here I'm taking this canvas here that I purchased from Overstock, and I'm going to use these DIY shelf here that I had for a little minute in my stash that you guys probably seen in the Queen Lounge. But here I'm going to show you guys how I'm basically going to hang them up on the wall. Here I'm taking some painter's tape, and I'm just going to measure where the holes and everything located at. I'm going to get a screw, poke a hole in it, and then I'm going to place it on the wall. So this is going to help me to basically drill in the right location. Pretty much that's what I'm going to need to do, because these shelves here, as you guys can see how the little ledge of it or the lip of it, you won't be able to see the hole, so I have to figure out where it at, and I'll be poking holes everywhere all over my wall. But this was the easy way for me to actually do that. So I'm poking the hole from one side to the other side, so therefore, like I said, I'm going to place it up on the wall, and then I'm going to get my ruler to measure it out to make sure everything line up evenly. Okay, so at this point here, I'm going to use these anchors to support the shelving on the wall, because they are heavy, and you're going to need some anchor to support it once you screw it in the wall. Basically, I'm going to show you guys in a moment here. Basically, I'm just doing my last little checks to make sure that everything do line up. So now where I have the hole at, I know where to drill at. Now, I do have an electric drill, and it wasn't charged up, so it was a bummer at this moment here, though. But I'm going to show you guys the anchors in a moment here that I'm going to be placing in the wall. But I'm making my pre-holes first. So therefore, I could put this little white little anchor in here. And this is going to give me all the support that I need to make sure that my shelves doesn't fall and everything come crashing to the ground. Because that would not be great. Not for me anyway. I would physically cry. But yeah, so I'm showing you guys here how it should be flush. This one here is not flush. For some reason, did not want to go in it, but find out later it does have a beam behind that wall there. So therefore, it kept, the hole wasn't deep enough for the anchor to go in it. Finally got it. Had to make the hole real big. And what I had to do was put the nail onto whatever these things called. Look, we had this one bent all of that didn't work. So what I had to do was get a screw. These are what they look like. So I had to get a screw. Put the screw on in there first. Once I screw it on in there first, screw it, and then I put it in the hole, and then I kept on screwing until it fully all both went in there, and then I was able to unscrew the screw out, so therefore I could have my anchor. That's what they call anchors. So basically that's what I did. So now I'm gonna put the other screw in here, so therefore we can have our floating shelves up. All right, queens and kings, so now I'm just gonna clean everything off, so therefore we can start the decoration process. And I do apologize for my raspy voice, honey. I am up 8 o'clock in the morning doing this voiceover. You know I love y'all. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking at this point and let you guys enjoy some music and me decoration, and I will come back at the end and explain everything to you all. So I hope you guys enjoying this video. If you all are, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your family, friends, and loved one. And if you are new just stopping by, please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. All right, Queens and Kings, I'll talk to you all very soon.
I'm hoping for some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. November gets cold, December gets darker. Let me know when you're home, 'cause you're lighting a spark in me. It's pretty lonely. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here, now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here, now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here, now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here, nah, you can't go back home.
I'm tranked up and I'm danked up and I'm hella faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm tranked up and I'm danked up and I'm hella faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying.
All right, Queens and Kings, so here is my new stylish bar or console table, whatever you want to call it. It's more of the champagne area for me, or wine. It's all up what the choice is. I really don't know at this point here, but I just love the way that this turned out. Oh my goodness, I just love how this look. Like, I always wanted this to look like this, and I never did it because I used the shelf for other places and stuff, and I'm so happy that I did do it like this. And I swapped the canvas and the shelf around because when I started to do it, I noticed that this was going to be more in the way. So I was like, no, I don't want nobody bumping their head or anything like that. So I decided to change it, and these shelves are DIYs of mine that I did make on my DIY channel. So if you're not aware of that channel, I will link it down below, put in the iCards and the name on the screen for you all, so you go check it out, as well as link the video down how I made these items using Dollar Tree items and IKEA items as well. But so let me just tell you guys about the glasses. These are affordable glasses from Ross. You've seen them in Pier 1 as well as Z Galleries. So we consider to call them dupes when you find them the same thing, just because it came from a high-end store. You've seen them in first, and then you find them in a low-end store that's more affordable. And we all love some Ross because you can find affordable things. So I paid $4, well $5 for each glass, compared to Pier 1 and Z Galleries on. They are $13 per glass, or Amazon have them for $25 for 2 glasses. So you do the math. But anywho, I just love the way this look. I really do love the way this look. But before I get down there, the canvas came from Overstock, and I love it. I really love how this look. But anywho, now My console table here actually came from Bad Cop Furniture Store. That is a local furniture store. Those ottomans have been every color that has been in my home. Actually thinking about changing them to probably a lavender or something like that, just to put a little pop of color over here. I don't know yet. I'm still debating, but right now they're gray. So I repurposed them and refurbished or whatever you want to call it. So yes, I love those.
I'm having trouble hearing you.
Siri is hard down talking, all in the video. But anyways, now let's talk about on top of the console table, which the bar or whatever you want to call it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now this calendar here I just purchased, which I do have a home decor haul coming to you guys pretty soon. But I got this calendar here from, where did I get this calendar from, girl? TJ Maxx, I believe that's where I got that calendar from. And I just lit it with you all, just lit it. So yeah, but the canister here came from Home Goods. This came from Marshall or TJ Maxx, and inside I just have some Dollar Tree little macaroons. I think that's what you guys call them, or how you pronounce them, and put some little diamonds and everything. And you know, I got to be a little extra, and I am loving it. So over here, I just have a book where I just took my Chanel cover off my Chanel book, because the actually book is black that goes with this cover, and I just placed it over another book. That's all I did. Now these grates here are from Z Gallery, and I love them. I love them because it just goes so well with the purple in this little vibe it getting me right here with this sculpture with this bust here. I love it. I love it. So I just have some jewelry on him, and of course a crown. Now this little bouquet here is something that I actually DIY, just basically adding more flowers into it, because I did pick up the bouquet from Michael's. I wish I'd have picked up 2 of them, but that been a minute now, so yeah. And I just have it placed in a Dollar Tree glass and put a ribbon on there just to bring some little pop of purple over here. Now this little gorgeousness piece here is actually a 2-tier spinning rotating tray that I did on my channel as well, and I love it. I love it. So here I have this bottle, came from Ross, which is another dupe for Z Gallery. Then I have some Stella here, as well as Stella Lux, I think a rose or something back, rose back there. And then these here are actually DIYs too. These are just little stir sticks for your glasses. Now it's just for decoration purpose. A lot of it is decoration purpose, which these are Z Gallery dupes and Pier 1 dupes or whatever. But this is the whole thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. How well did I do? Y'all go ahead and boost my head up, because you know that's what I like. That's what I like. Don't come with the hate, because I'm going to actually say something back to you. So I'm telling you now, you have been warned. But anyways, I love it, Queens and Kings. I hope you all did too as well. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you, Queens and Kings, in the very next video. Bye-bye.
Finessing like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a